How about this one? You sent it over my way. Handwritten job application by Steve Jobs. A job application. Steve Jobs' job application. And I don't know if they know where he was applying to. It seems to indicate it's a little bit vague here. The date is somewhere around the time that Steve Jobs had dropped out of Reed College in Portland, Oregon. A year later, he joined Atari as a technician, where he worked with Steve Wozniak before Apple became a thing in 1976. It's weird. What does that date say there up top?
93?
It must be 73.
73.
Yeah, it must be 73 because 76 he goes to Atari. It's crazy to think you had nothing going. I mean, not nothing, but you had Atari going on, and then this chance meeting, Steve Wozniak, Steve Jobs, double Steve, and next thing you know, talking about Tim Cook and Zuckerberg having their beef. It's crazy how things happen. But anyway, this is a collector's item, and the last time it was up for auction, it fetched $175,000. In the questionnaire, Steve Jobs highlights his experience with computers and calculators. Imagine that.
Yeah.
Remember those calculators when you were in high school? What were they called? Like Texas Instruments, something or other? And everybody had to have this one. Once you got to a certain age or grade, it would be like, no, you had to have this one. Because things got serious.
Yeah, I remember this one.
Is that the one? The TI.
Something similar.
That's $100, man. That's no joke.
Yeah. Trying to look at parabolas.
Yeah.
The curves.
I mean, I guess they worked out, but like in retrospect, those things seem kind of, well, anyway.
They were heavy duty, man.
Yeah, they look so antiquated by today's standards, but I presume, like, look at that. That thing is $1,650. So
did everyone get one in your class? Like to just borrow and
I think everybody got one, man.
Yeah, they're
Does that seem crazy at the price? The ones we had were probably $100 would be my guess. But still, it is kind of wild that every kid purchased one. But anyway, he was an expert in that, and he had special abilities in electronic tech or design engineer digital. So these were some of the things outlined on this particular handwritten job application. Anyway, it's coming back up for auction. Presumably, this individual wants more than the $175,000 that was paid for it in 2018. You know, collector's items and collectibles, it's booming right now, Will.
Yes.
Like everything else with the Bitcoin and the stocks and all this stuff. People are looking to make a buck, so maybe it's a good time. The auction is online. It runs for 4 hours on February 24th. So you may want to check that out. You can sign up to bid right now if this is the thing you need to add to your collection.
Good luck.